naming, which I need to do in case somebody wants to see the recorded lesson. Right. Okay. Okay, I suppose. Right. So, where are we? Here we are. Right. Servizio streaming dal vivo. Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How is the situation in your schools? Are you still in presence or are you working online now?
We are in presence now.
Good, good, good.
For the moment.
Hi, Silvia.
Hi, hi.
Hi. Hi, Federica, welcome.
Hi, thanks. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you all. Good evening, almost good evening.
No, afternoon.
Okay, well, afternoon. Let's say the Australian way, good day.
Yeah.
Australians keep saying good day, whatever the time of the day. Good day.
It's a good idea.
Yes. Let's say it the Australian way. So, do you think we can start or shall we wait? Hi, Loredana, welcome. She can't hear yet.
It's okay.
Hi, Loredana, welcome. I'm sorry for this last minute, proposition of postponing it or moving it to another day. But when I heard a lot of people saying, I can't come today, me too, I won't be able to come, I thought, oh my God, will there be someone? Maybe we could postpone it or move it to another day, but no, it wasn't a good idea because, of course, all the people who have tried their best. Sylvia, why are you double? I didn't see why. I see you double.
Oops. Now, okay. No. Excuse me.
No problems, no problems. Anyway, no, it's never a good idea to postpone it or move it to another day because there is always someone who tried their best. Non riesco a collegarmi. Ah, why? Are you?
Anch'io ho fatto fatica prima a collegarmi.
The latest link.
No, I didn't read the passcode, and so I had problems with the password. But
Ah, okay, but it's something like B2, isn't it?
B2, yes.
Where is it? Let's post it again. Maybe. Okay, let's repeat the link. Mi sa che ho sbagliato il link di accesso. Okay, right. So, what would you like to do today? Cosa vorreste fare oggi? I know you're very busy and I feel very honored you are attending my lesson, even if you've got so many things to do. So thank you very much indeed. And I want to be as useful as possible to you. So I want to do what you need. So please tell me what you need and what you would like to do in this lesson.
I wanted to say that it was very useful, the material that you sent last time.
Good.
I used with the pupils at school the test about ING, present progressive.
Yes, because you asked for the present Continuous, didn't you? So that's why I sent you a few things. Yes.
And I wanted to say also thank you for the letter for the
parents, to the parents.
English, because I had some kind of problems with they want also always to have children.
Stressful parents.
Yes, and then today I made the possessive adjectives. Okay, so only this.
Okay, your
yes.
Okay. Yes, I thought you could have done it before, because it's usually done before the present progressive, but it's okay. Yes. Yeah, it's okay. Doesn't matter.
No, there wasn't on the book, but in a lot of sentences there is my, his, her. Yes, and I didn't do last year.
Okay. In any case, do you remember that whatever you need, whatever kind of exercises you need, you can always go to Word like word, parola, wall like wall, muro, word wall, and learning apps. And you can find many exercises, funny ones there, made by other teachers like you. You can also create your own exercise. It's very easy to do. But if you have no time, you simply take somebody else's exercise and give them to your children. So, for example, let me show you. I can't remember what I've already done with you. Maybe I've already told you this. What's this? I don't want this. So, word wall. You go to word wall and you can create your own lessons. Very easy. Simply follow the explanations, so very easy. But if you don't want to create it, simply personal adjectives, for example, simply type what you need and you can find a lot of exercises, funny ones, on that topic. For example, let's see this one. It's fast. No, but this is not about, sorry. This is not about, adjectives, but we want, possessive adjectives. Okay, sorry. Possessive adjectives and personal pronouns. Okay, these are both, but anyway. I am Italian. Let's go on. My nationality is Australia. Where is she from? Your English is very good. Congratulations, and so on. Or you can do the same exercise. They have to choose which word to insert on the dots. Lucy has got two sisters. They are English. Lucy has got two sisters. Their names are Jane and Julie. Luca is a student. His school is big and beautiful, and so on. The same exercise can be done in many other different ways. For example, instead of a quiz, can you see on the right side of the video, you've got a line. Instead of quiz, click on telequiz, for example. And you can do the same exercise as if you were participating, taking part in a TV quiz. Ding. You scored, wow, 128 points. and so on. Or you can do the same exercise in a different way, like this one with the boxes. Open the boxes. For example, let's open this one. Where is she from? And so on and so on. You open this one. Lucy has got 2 sisters. They are English. And so on and so on. Or you can do the same exercise as like this. Oh, it's a hunting, a chasing game. This is my pencil case. It is new. Where is it? Here. So we have to go up there without being eaten by the monsters. Yahoo! Which is not easy sometimes. So this was very easy, but sometimes it can be quite. Where is? Oh, she, I, her. Okay, she. Where is she from? Oh, no. There's a monster there. I don't want the monster. Oh. Okay. These are the monsters and they eat you. Be careful. But you've got 3 lives. English is very good. Your English is very good. Yes. Where? Oh, no. Oh my God, no. Okay. This way. Right. No. Oh my God, what can I do? No. It's not easy. Oh no, yours is that way. It doesn't listen to me. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm sure your children will be much better than me. Anyway, that was near. Ci è mancato un pelo. This is my dog. Its name is Black. Here it's no. I don't want to be eaten. Oh no. Oh my God, what am I supposed to do? Oh, that's easy then, if you can move. Okay, that was funny because I went out that way and came in the other way. Anyway, or you can do it the same exercise as an airplane. My man and I love animals. So we usually go to the zoo. We. Poof. This is my pencil case. It is new. It. Poof. And so on and so on. Or there are printable activities. You can print them and use them at school, like puzzles. Okay, let's stop this. I know it's wrong. I just wanted to stop. Okay, anyway, these are printable activities which you can use in the class. You can give a sheet each child and ask them to, for example, tick the correct answer, or here match the correct word with the correct sentence, with a relevant sentence. Or this is a kind of crossword. It's not really a crossword. You have to find the words here and cancel them, delete them. Or what's this? Person pronounce. What am I supposed to do here? maybe write the word to be put in the dots. Maybe they're supposed to write the correct word, and so on. These are printable activities. These are all free sites, so no, yes, again, a printable activity. These are all free sites, so no risk of being denounced by Walt Disney or whatever, like we did last time. Oh my God, poor Stefano. Did you know it? Somebody told me they were watching Coco at school, so I went on Coco, and for those 2-3 minutes we saw Coco. The Walt Disney company sent a denunciation for copyright, and all the Google accounts were stopped, closed down, and poor Stefano had to fill in forms on forms on forms explaining why we did it, and so on and so on. And finally, he had to cut that part of the video in which we showed the Walt Disney, piece of Coco. But luckily, at least they didn't go on with the denunciation. Otherwise, we should have taken a lawyer and go to court. Oh my God. No, don't worry. These are all free use sites, both WordWall and learning apps. Learning apps is less funny because there aren't so many different ways of doing the exercise, but the advantage is there is the pronunciation. For example, let's go to learning apps. And see how it works. First of all, you have to put the subject in. So first of all, English. We need, okay, inglese. And then personal possessive adjectives. By the way, we say possessive adjectives. And here it comes. For example, I don't know, which one would you like?
The one
Let's try this one. With
the man.
Oh, okay, let's go back then. This one. This one. Completa il testo con le parole mancanti. Ascolta la canzone 3 volte. Durante il primo ascolto leggi il testo e presta attenzione alle frasi contenenti le parti mancanti. Durante il secondo ascolto prova a completare il testo scegliendo la parola corretta tra quelle tra le 20 della tendina. Durante il terzo ascolto controlla il tuo lavoro e verifica, ok, that looks funny. Just the way you are. Very nice. I liked it. Very original with the, the designs with the tape and everything. Okay, so second time they listen to the song, they are supposed to, insert the correct word. For example, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without, I don't know, doubt. What would you, they are trying without you trying. And and so on. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day, and so on and so on. And then they are supposed to listen to it again and check what they have inserted, and check if it's okay, if it's correct, and then you can correct it together. This is an example, of course, but there are many other possible exercises and funny games to do. I don't know, for example, this one. Vabbè. This is a very easy one, very traditional one, but some of them are really very funny. These are match the opposite. Oh, okay, but this is not about, sorry, this is not about personal pronouns. Anyway, there are many possibilities, so you can try, you know, oh, that's the translation from English to Italian. Vabbè. I don't normally like the translations, but
It's his. È sua, di lui. It's yours. It's mine.
oh, okay.
It's ours. It's hers. È vostra. It's yours.
Come?
È vostra. It's yours.
It should disappear.
È tua.
Maybe this
It's
one.
yours.
Ah, okay.
It's theirs. È sua, di lei.
Was it here?
It's mine.
No. Was it here?
It's ours. It's hers. È sua, di lei.
And so on. Okay, this is learning apps is good because there is also the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation of the words. And anyway, there are many different exercises on the various topics. So these two sites are always very useful, whatever topics you are doing. Yes, audio with pronunciation, learning apps. Yes, yeah. Learning apps has got a lot of audio combined with the pronunciation. Yeah. Okay, so any suggestion? What would you like to do today? Where's Agnese? Oh, Agnese, we can't see you. Here you are. Hello. You cut your hair. Didn't you?
No.
They look shorter.
No.
Okay.
Hi, everyone.
You cut your hair. No. Didn't you?
I just had a shower yesterday.
They look shorter. Me too. They look shorter. Not so long anymore. Okay, so any suggestion? What would you like to do? What are you doing at the moment? And what would you like to help you somehow in your classes? And okay, Anna V. What are you doing at the moment? And what will you do in the next fortnight, 2 weeks?
I am an Italian teacher, so
okay.
I don't work with English, but sometimes I joke with my pupils and try to speak in English because there is a pupil from Sri Lanka. She speaks very well, a very British English.
Excellent.
She's perfect. So sometimes I ask to him.
To her?
Him.
To her?
She is a boy. He is a boy.
Okay,
It's a boy.
because first you said she. Okay, he.
Sorry.
No problem. Yes.
And he tell me, explain me some words, so I joke with the class in this way.
Good idea, very good idea. Did he attend international schools? Because in Sri Lanka, they speak perfect English, but no British accent at all. So maybe
he go to after the scuola primaria, he go to an international school.
He went to an international school
here in Verona, but the mom told me that they speak very well English at home.
So he mostly needs Italian, not an international school. Yeah. Yes, as a matter of fact, yes, it's better for him to attend the state school in Italy and learn Italian. Yeah, definitely. He already speaks English. He doesn't need an international school. Right. Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, Anna Rosa, what are you doing at the moment with your students?
Okay, I teach in a second class. Okay, and now at this moment we are doing numbers from 1 to 10 and colors. Okay, they are very young, so I don't do very difficult things. Could you suggest some game to do in class with my pupils?
Some topics?
Yes.
I can't hear you very well because the voice comes and goes. Did you mean some topics, alcuni argomenti?
No, yes. No, I want to know if you can suggest some games to play.
Oh, games. Okay, games.
Games.
Okay, I missed the word, games. Yes, with the colors. Yes. Out of the blue, it's difficult. Out of the blue means così su due piedi, it's difficult. But blue, blue. Out of the blue, it's difficult. Out of the blue vuol dire di punto in bianco, noi diremmo di punto in bianco, loro dicono fuori del blu. Di punto in bianco, it's a little bit difficult, but I can think about some games to suggest you. Second grade, they're still young. So you might play something like the train. You start, and go choof, 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 to one of them and ask something like, what color is this? And if he says the right word, blue, right, join the train. And he gets connected with you and you can continue. Stop to the next one. What color is, I don't know, something else, what color is this? It's black. Perfect. Join the train. For example. And then you can make them drive the train. They can start, their own train and go around, and they need to ask the question, what color is this? What color is that? Okay, so they can learn both the question and the colors. But this at the second time, when they already know the colors and they need to learn the question. The train is a very easy game which can be played in any situation. Can be colors, can be objects, can be anything. So it's a very useful game. Or another very useful game, so the train. I can write it to you when I send you the report of the summary of what done today. So I can post it to you, this. Or another game could be, because second grade, they are still small and they need to move, There can be the ball game. For example, somebody has a ball, you start with a ball and throw it to someone, and that person who catches it has to reply to your question. For example, what color is this? And show him a pen or something. Purple, perfect. So it's his turn now to throw the ball to somebody else. Okay, and yes, so throw the ball can also be an easy game. Or well, this is too easy for primary school children. Collect, for example, balls of different, you can have many balls of different colors and ask them, divide them into two teams maybe, and ask them to collect all the balls, all the blue balls, for example, in a basket. And the team which collects more wins. For example, or if you don't have a ball at home, you can simply take something like these colored pieces of paper, throw them around on the floor, and ask the two teams to collect the papers with a light yellow color or dark yellow or whatever, and the team which collects more wins. Or if you don't want a team, maybe to play it in couples. Or there are many games you can play actually. There are many quiet games, like for example, the goose game. Goose game can be played in any situation. The goose game. Il gioco dell'oca. It can be played in any situation. You draw some squares, and on each square, you put, for example, a color, and with the dice, the person who ends on that color has to say, this is red, this is yellow, this is purple. But this is a quiet game. So for a second grade, I would do something more active, if you know what I mean, because they need to move, you know. Or what else? Anyway, goose game can be played for any topic. Most of these games can be played for any topic you can do. Or another game, I don't know. For example, you can give me 5. You can hit 5. For example, you ask a question like, what color is this? And if there are more than one person who replies correctly, they can hit 5. For example, what color is this? And there are 3 people who say red. Right, they go and hit 5. This makes them quite a, how can I say, group, you know. What color is this? Yellow, right. And those who replied correctly, they can go and hit 5 to the others. For example, yes, this is an idea. You can also play these kind of games. If we'll go, let's hope not, but if we'll go on a total lockdown, and you'll know, I know, let's hope not, but, and you'll have to work online, you can show the children how to raise their hands, and the first who raises the hand can reply. And if there are more than one, they can share the points, this kind of things. But I can think some more. I can think some more games and send them to you. so that you can play some games with the various topics. Yes, it's a good idea. Thank you. Thank you for the suggestion. So games, let me take note because otherwise I'll forget. Right, games. Then what else would you like? So Angela, what are you doing and what are you supposed to do in the next 2 weeks?
Today I have done in my second class the object of the class: desk, cupboard,
desk, chair, blackboard. Yes.
In the fourth class I have done plurals.
The plurals, yes.
Without eccezioni, come si dice? Without eccezioni.
Yes, without the exceptions. No foot, feet, child, children, but the regular plurals. I don't care. Better shut it up. Better switch it off. Come on. I want to switch you off. Okay. No, it's not off yet. Anyway, sorry. Yes, so how are you doing it?
But I will do the next week.
Oh, the next week. Okay. Yes. So, do you need any suggestion?
Yes.
Apart from the usual. Okay, that's off now. Yes, apart from the usual word wall or learning apps or these games, plurals, you can, for example, have some candies and ask the children, do you want, no, they won't understand you want. Okay, you can say something like, 1 candy for you, 1 candy or 2 candies. I have to say probably 2 candies, please. Okay, 2 candies. But if they say 2 candy, no, candy is 1. 2 candies is 2. Okay, or for example, if you don't want to give them something to eat because maybe, I don't know, you cannot, you can prepare some stars, some hearts, some, I don't know, kiss. 1 kiss or 2 kisses, whatever, you know. Or with a plural, do they know how to count? Do they know the numbers?
The numbers?
Not yet.
No, in the fourth class, the numbers I have done.
No, I mean in the first class you are doing the plurals.
No, in the
second class. Okay. Do they already know?
No, in the
how
second
to count?
Class, I have done the object of the class. In the fourth class, I have done the plurals.
Okay, so they already know how to count. Okay, so you can ask them to do something like a chain, and the first says 1 car, and the second 2 cars, and the third 3 cars, and the fourth 4 cars, for example. Or I don't know, I can think about it anyway. Yes, I'll think about some games, and yes, and then of course in word wall or learning apps, you for sure find exercises on the plurals or on whatever you need. Those are always there for you, and whatever you need, it's in there. But games, yes, I can think about some games. Yeah. Right. Sylvia, what are you doing at the moment?
Okay, so in the 5th class, I made today the possessive adjectives and the ing form. And in the third class, I made the numbers from 10 to 100 and the relatives.
You mean the family?
Yes, the family.
Okay,
yes.
The family, the relatives. I've already sent you something about all this, didn't I? Io vi ho già spedito qualcosa sulla famiglia, non era con voi? Forse mi confondo con qualche altra classe. Okay, I will send you some links on of videos on these topics, funny ones, songs, these kind of things. Yes, right. So family, numbers, ing form, possessive adjectives, plurals. My God, you're doing a lot. Okay. Loredana, what are you doing at the moment? We can't hear you. Loredana, we can't hear you.
Now, can you see and listen? I am an Italian teacher, but sometimes I like speaking with my student in English. Yes, and in this week I'm with the English teacher, of course. We can the modal verb.
Can
speak about the modal verb. I can, I can't.
Yes, can, can't. Is it at the fourth grade?
And so we can speak about some regular laws.
Rules and laws, yes.
I
rules.
can't pick up the flower. So
yes. I can raise my hand and ask a question.
Yes.
I can say hello to everyone when I get in.
Excuse me. The pronunciation of
pronunciation varies. Varies
or can't.
Yes,
because
that
I
pronunciation
know can't, but
yes, the pronunciation varies. In British English, it's can, can't.
Okay.
In American English, can, can't.
Okay.
So it depends if you want to teach British English or American English. British English would be I can, I can't.
Okay.
American English, it's all with a A. I can, I can't. But British English, I can, I can't.
Yes. I have an idea. In the next, in the other course in March, when
yes, were you with me?
Yes.
Welcome back then.
Yes, I love you. You are for me the best.
Thank you.
You offered us some videos about the topic, and then we talk about this topic. It was a very, very interesting.
Okay. All right. Have you got a video?
We saw the sport. I remember we saw very interesting topic. Very interesting topics.
Okay. If everybody agrees, we can easily do that. Yes.
Okay.
If everybody's happy about it, we can easily do that. It's more about English language than teaching English, but of course we can do whatever we want to. So yes,
because we can have fluency, pronunciation. We can speak about something, because I think that's the difficult. For us, for me, excuse, for me,
For most people, I suppose. Speaking. Understanding and speaking, yes.
See, listening and understanding are easy. More easy.
Easier
than listen. That's exactly.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Just a little thing.
Yes.
The comparatives.
Idea.
Yes. Oh, yes. It's a good idea. If everybody's happy, we can easily do that. Okay. No problems. Yes. Yes. I'd love to. Yes, the superlatives, comparatives and superlatives. If the adjective is a short adjective, like easy, for example, you add er, easier. Then is written with the a, than. Okay, not then like this, which means poi, allora, dopo. Then like this, okay? Easier than. If the adjective is a long one, you can't make it even longer by adding er, so you put more in front. More expensive, for example. More interesting. Interesting. Interesting or interesting are both correct. Tutte e due le pronunce vanno bene. Interesting or interesting. It depends on what you want to use, but it's okay. So more plus a long adjective, er added to the short adjective. Right. The superlative is est, the easiest thing to do is blah, 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 or the most expensive thing. Okay, est or the most. That's the superlative. In or of. The most expensive thing in the world is, I don't know, something in gold, maybe diamond, I don't know. The most expensive thing of my, I don't know, goods is my mother's watch, for example. Ok, quindi in or of. The most interesting thing, in this lesson was, yes, the most interesting thing in this lesson was, okay, the most, I don't know, funny people of the group was the teacher. For sure. Ok, quindi the most of o in, more than. E per gli aggettivi brevi, the, est, of, in, oppure er, than. Invece i comparativi di minoranza, less than, per tutti, aggettivi corti o lunghi. You're nicer than her, you're less nice than her. Okay, this is less expensive than that. Okay, less than, e the least, blah, of o in, il superlativo. Invece i, come si chiamano? Quelli di uguaglianza, as, she's as good as me. She's as good as me. È tanto brava quanto me. Tanto quanto, as. Ok, nelle negative si potrebbe usare so. She isn't so good as me. She isn't so good as me. Sì, nelle negative si potrebbe usare anche so as, oppure as. She isn't as good as me. She's as good as me. Ok? E questi sono quelli di uguaglianza. Ok, detto ciò, let's go on. Yes, so videos, any topic you would like to talk about? C'è qualche argomento specifico su cui vorreste vedere, su cui vorreste parlare? Not coronavirus, please. Can be coronavirus if you want to. Any topic. Shall I choose? Maybe I can choose 3 or 4, and then, you decide which one you would prefer. Yes, I'll prepare 3 or 4 topics, and then we'll decide which one to see and to talk about. Do you want me to send them to you before, in advance? No, maybe not. You don't have time to watch them. No, maybe not. Right. Okay, so thanks for the suggestion, Loredana. Agnese, tell us something. Any suggestion for the future? What are you going to do in the next 2 weeks?
Okay, first of all, I'll go back to school.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, on Monday.
She had to stay home in quarantine because she was supposed to have coronavirus, which she hadn't, luckily, but she had to stay home in quarantine. And now she can go back to school. Ta-da!
Yeah, okay. So in
you
the
happy
third
about it? Are you happy about it?
Yes, of course.
But when I saw you last time, 2 weeks ago on a Monday, you were so tired. You said, I'm so tired. Now you relaxed for a while.
Yeah.
And you're happy again to go to school.
Yes. Okay.
Right.
In the third class, I'm working on the buildings in town. So,
wow, like skyscrapers, houses, these kind of things.
Yeah.
Right.
So pupils know lots of words, so hospital, school, library, lots of them. And then we built a label on the exercise book as a map of the city or the town. And then they put buildings into this label.
Yeah.
And they wrote sentences. So in this town, there is a school. In this town, there is, so they practice there is, there are.
There are, yes.
And
what about giving directions? What about giving directions?
Okay, not for the moment, but I can do this. Go straight, turn left, turn right. Yes. Because if we are lucky, we will play with robots. And
right.
So we have a platform for the robot, and we have cards with pictures of the buildings and cards which say go to the bank, go to the school, go to the supermarket, and then go back home. And they have to program the robot to go all over these places.
Fantastic.
If we are lucky and we can do, because we put the, how do you say gel in English?
Gel? What do you mean gel?
This for
For the hands.
For the
hand
hands.
sanitizer.
Hands.
Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer.
Yeah. Oh, yes, yes.
Yes.
Well,
Before we start.
Yes.
Before we start, and then at the end of the activity,
yes.
And then I will clean all the robots.
And all the things. But you know what? And then the children will go out together and exchange other sandwiches and snacks, and nobody will care about hand sanitizers anymore. It's like when my daughter was a very young child, a baby, not a baby, but very young, 2, 3 years old, we were very careful on cleaning everything. When she was even younger, we had a special machinery which killed all the germs and the viruses and so on. And then she went out and ate for example, plants soil or whatever, you know. Sì, era buffo perché noi eravamo attentissimi a sanificare tutto, a pulire, e la macchinetta per uccidere i germi, questo e quello. Poi lei andava fuori e si mangiava la terra delle piante.
Yes, I know. So, my mother saw me eating some worms.
Worms. Oh my God, were they good?
I don't know, maybe. Okay.
So, you know, yes.
Yeah. And in the other class, 4th grade, so 9 years old, we are introducing ourselves. So what's your name? How old are you? And where are you from? But I thought one thing. I forgot. I forget it. I forgot it.
Don't worry, it's okay. Right. So, any suggestion on how I can help you?
I don't know.
Okay, if you can think of something, just tell me.
Okay.
Any suggestion on how I can help you? Okay. How can I help you would be the question. Any suggestion on how can I help? How I can help you? Yes.
Okay.
Enrica, what are you doing? What are you planning? No, Enrica Bani, I was thinking.
Yeah.
Yes. What are you doing? What are you planning to do?
Really, I'm a support teacher, and we do a lot of co-teaching with my colleagues because I have 22 hours in that class. It's the 3rd class. So with the English teacher, we cooperate together, and sometimes.
And what are you doing at the moment?
Sorry?
What
at
are
the
you
moment
doing?
We are working on what are you wearing, what's your name, you have got blonde eyes, sorry, blonde hair, blue eyes, and so on, describing themselves, but
describing people.
Phrases.
Yes, describing people.
I would like for Christmas, but let's see if it's possible to read them the Gingerbread Man.
Okay, some Christmas songs and activities. Yeah. Yes, we can also work on that. What about Thanksgiving Day? No, we don't have Thanksgiving Day in Italy. No. Okay, so Christmas would be the next big holiday. Yep. Right.
We are thinking about this because I made a project for when I was in the university a few years ago. And my, no, you don't say goal, is my non-items. You say my...
Sorry? My aim, il mio scopo?
Yeah.
Goal?
No, my project, sorry. My project was on the Gingerbread Man. So I have something already done that can be proposed to the children.
On what? Sorry, I couldn't hear
on
you.
the gingerbread man, on the story. I have
okay, the gingerbread man.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And all the
Can you share it with us? Can you send us
if
your
you want, I go upstairs and take everything I show you. I can show you maybe next time.
Yeah, yes, of course, yes. Not
take
now,
note.
in time, yes. So we can share it together. Yes, we can do some nice stories and songs, different ones from Jingle Bells, please. Oh, I can't listen to Jingle Bell anymore. Which, by the way, is also quite difficult because it's very fast. But do you know how to slow down a song when you listen to it for the first time? Maybe, for example, if you listen to Jingle Bells for the first time, it can be very quick and difficult to understand, to spot the words. But
dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
You can slow it down by going on settings. Wait a second. This is not, oh no, no. We don't want Walt Disney, please. No, we don't want Walt Disney. Okay, super simple learning. That's better. That's better. Okay, anyway. Dashing through the snow. You can slow down the song by going on settings, the small wheel here. Can you see my video? The small wheel, you click on it, settings, playback speed, and from normal, you go to 75%, for example. Through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. You're supposed to repeat. O'er the fields we go. O'er the fields we go. Laughing all the way. Laughing all the way. It's a kind of karaoke. Bells on bobtails ring. And so on. So you can slow down the making spirits bright. You can slow down the songs by going on the setting wheel, clicking on it, and go to playback speed and change it from normal to 75%, for example. Okay, so something about Christmas, right? I'll think about something. I'll think about it. Okay, Anna Luongo, what are you doing with your children?
Hello. I am teacher of math, but I like speak to English while my activities.
Yes.
Yesterday, there was equal day at the party for equivalenze, come si dice equivalenze? Non lo so.
Equals.
L'equal day, cioè sulle equivalenze per festeggiare il segno dell'uguale, di due quantità uguali.
Yes, equals sarebbe uguale.
Equals uguale. E l'equal day ieri era l'11-11.
Ah, giusto.
Sì.
Yes.
Equivalenza.
Allora, equivalenza. Equivalence.
Equivalence.
Ok, equals comunque vuol dire uguale, equivalence.
Sì, io so che in inglese l'abbiamo proprio scritto così in inglese, 11-11 equal day, ecco, e così, so, the children have done le equivalenze, equivalence between two quantities.
Something like
throw 2 or 3 operazioni,
operations. Something like 100 grams is 1 hectogram.
Yes,
1,000
with
grams is 1
plus between two quantities, have a plus with minus. Devices by, insomma, ecco, for, ecco.
Fantastic.
In questo momento non mi viene divertente, come si dice?
Funny, very funny. It was very funny.
Ci siamo divertiti, come volevo tradurre, ci siamo divertiti.
We had a great fun. We had a great fun. We had a great fun.
Okay.
Oppure we enjoyed ourselves a lot. We enjoyed ourselves a lot. We enjoyed ourselves a lot. We had a great fun.
Okay. In gym we did the fitness activities. No games. While having fun saying direction in English. Walk, 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 jump, jump, clap, clap, stamp, stamp,
Hop, hop,
turn
run.
right, turn left, enjoy ourselves a lot. Ecco.
Yes, you enjoyed yourself a lot. Good. Good. Very good. Yes. Yes, you could show them some videos on maps. There are many easy videos on maps. For example, if instead of, if you go to YouTube, if you go to, hello, if you go to YouTube and you type it in English, like map, the equivalences, for sure. Okay, this is too for kids. Okay, for kids, so that's better. And you can for sure find something.
Hey kids.
By the way, do you remember that if you want the subtitles, you simply need to click here, the small monitor here, and you got the subtitles. Hi, kids.
Sorry about that. I'm cooking brownies for my friend T-Rex. They have a party each.
Okay, this is very fast for your children, so you can slow it down. He's cooking brownies, sta facendo I biscotti for my friend T-Rex. They have a party each year
Called the Equivalent Fraction Party.
Called the Equivalent Fraction Party.
It is my job to bake the brownies before they get too hungry.
It's my job to bake the brownies. E il mio lavoro è preparare I biscotti before they get too hungry, prima che diventino troppo affamati.
Hey, I'm coming. Just give me a minute.
Hey, I'm coming. Just give me a minute. Arrivo, dammi un momento.
Wait. Do you smell something?
Do you smell something? Senti odore? Ah!
Uh-oh. I think I burned the brownies.
I burnt the brownies. Sì, però, vabbè, la tiro un po' troppo lunga questo qui. Facciamo una cosa forse. Vabbè, andiamo avanti.
Why don't you guys learn about equivalent fractions while I fix this mess?
Why don't you guys learn about equivalent fractions while I fix this mess? Perché non imparate le frazioni equivalenti mentre io sistemo questo casino che ho fatto? Fix è aggiustare, sistemare. Mess è un caos, un casotto.
Today we are learning about equivalent fractions. The word equivalent really just means equal or the same. Here we have two rectangles. We can see that they are exactly the same size but are divided up differently. Let's write the fractions for these rectangles and start with the top one. The denominator shows the total amount of parts. So how many pieces is the rectangle cut into?
8.
8 pieces. Good job. Now for the numerator, we want to know how many pieces are colored green.
2.
There are 2 pieces. Our fraction is 2/8.
2/8.
Can you tell me what the fraction is for the bottom rectangle?
4.
The fraction is 1/4. Great job. Did you notice that the pieces in this rectangle are different than the rectangle above it? Let's look at these two fractions. We have 2/8 and 1/4. They don't look the same, but
They needed to know the ordinal numbers, though. 2/8 and 1/4.
pay attention to...
But you could also say 2/8 or over 8 and 1/4. They sometimes, when they write, they say 1/4, 2/8, invece che 2/8, 1/4. Yes, writing, they say 1/4, 2/8.
To the rectangles. Do
Anyway,
the green parts
this
of
is
the
a
rectangle look
possibility.
equal?
You can find many easy math videos.
In a previous video, we learned all about factoring whole numbers. And now we're going to learn how factoring can help us when working with fractions. We're going to learn how to simplify fractions.
This is boring. Let's go with the pizza.
Let's learn fractions. Understanding fractions can be easy as 1, 2, 3. Just watch this video and you'll be using fractions with ease. It's easy to count whole things like a pizza, a pie, or a donut. But what if we only had part of one? How would we count it then? We'd use fractions. A fraction looks like this. The bottom number is called the denominator. It shows how many equal pieces an object has been divided into. The top number is called the numerator. It shows how many parts of the denominator you are looking at. For example, a pizza is usually divided into 8 slices. That means that in a fraction, the denominator would be 8. If you normally eat 1 slice of pizza, then 1 would be the numerator. That means that you eat 1/8 of a pizza. If you normally eat 2 slices of pizza, then 2 would be the numerator. The denominator would still be 8 since there are always 8 slices of pizza. That would mean that you eat 2/8 of a pizza. Let's try another example.
Anyway,
this pie is divided into 6 pieces and you eat 4.
The idea was that if you wanted to teach math using English, there are many useful videos on YouTube. Yes, Agnese?
In the chat, I wrote the website Starfall. Did you ever visit it?
Wow, Starfall. Let's try it. Starfall. No, what's this? Starfall, it's a nice name.
Yeah, it's a website.
Yes.
Did I show you a demo?
Do you want you to show us? Okay. So in this case, I should give you permission. How should I give you permission? Okay. Right. Go on, Agnese, show us.
Ooh. Wait for a moment. I'm working on some videos for the Polo Europeo.
For a change.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you're doing some Christmas things, DIY Christmas cards, probably. Do-it-yourself Christmas card.
Christmas card?
I don't know. I can see in your screen, together with parts of speech, e-twinning live, Scuola book, web, mail. I can see 17 do-it-yourself Christmas probably cards.
What are you looking at?
In the upper part of your screen,
okay.
There are a number of sites you saved.
Okay, yeah, here. Okay.
Yes, 17 DIY
This
Christmas.
Okay. Okay, this is Starfall. I can show you. This is a demo. Yeah. Of course, you have to buy. you have to do the upgrade if you want to use it. The all-inclusive version. As usually, I use this for the date. Let's make a calendar. I love this.
Mamma, io ho finito di studiare.
Cara, l'hanno saputo anche gli altri.
Brava Sara.
Yeah.
November 2020. It's Veterans Day, Remembrance Day. You're right. In the States, it's Remembrance Day.
Okay, so usually I show this to my pupils and that they already know what day of the week is it today. And you have to click on Thursday.
Oh, it's a Thursday today, yes. Today is a Thursday, November the 12th, 2020.
And then you have to drag day and the number.
Right.
And then you can, how do you say, personalize?
Yes, personalize it.
Your calendar. For example, if there are birthdays, you can drag the cake.
The cake.
Or someone lost his tooth.
Ah, you're right. They're using their teeth in this period.
And you can personalize the calendar by putting some pictures. Hooray! Okay, this is called calendar. but I can show you some more things, interesting things. Oh, fractions. I think this is the game for fractions.
The one with the pumpkin.
Yeah.
Halloween fractions.
Okay, you can choose your pumpkin, hat, face.
Okay. Yes. Right. What happens if you do something wrong?
Okay, let's check. No. No.
It doesn't move. Right. Phew. Yes, and the correspondence. Yeah. Yes. 4/8 is 1/2. 3/4 is equals to, yeah.
Then you can, people love Be My Valentine, and you can send a card. I'll show you if you want.
Yeah. That for next February though.
Yeah.
That's a question for you.
Who will be your Valentine? Choose one. What do you want?
I want the fox.
Okay.
The cook.
Max the fox.
Max the fox.
Card.
The first one, the red one, the red heart with the wings, con le ali.
Okay.
Be my friend. No, be my Valentine.
Be my Valentine. But how do you translate Be My Valentine?
È difficile, sarebbe sì la mia Valentina, però in italiano non esiste una roba di questo genere. Sia la mia compagna il giorno di San Valentino, o il mio compagno il giorno di San Valentino.
Ok.
Because. And. Okay, because.
Choose an ending.
Because you are kind and you make me smile.
Only one.
Okay, you make me smile.
Okay. Choose your stamp.
The one in the center with the earth. The 3 hearts encircle around the earth.
Okay.
Gigo, come si dice in italiano?
Gigo è
una canzoncina, una fila.
Okay.
And then you send it.
Mm-hmm.
But it won't arrive. Oh yes, it's arriving. Meow. Where's the fox? There it is. It looks happy. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's Day. How nice. Yes.
Pick me, and then start to say, pick me, pick me, pick me.
Pick me.
Yeah. This is maybe for Easter and so on, but you can do lots of things.
What about Christmas?
Christmas. There are some books. No, I can't remember.
No, there's nothing on Christmas. Okay.
Here you have math.
Grade 3.
These are very interesting, yes.
Geometry measurements.
Games. You see?
This is mainly for homeschooling. In Britain, and also in the States and all British countries, actually, there are many families who prefer to educate their children at home. Maybe with the neighbors. And so this was meant for homeschooling. They call it homeschooling. Okay, geometry measurements. Let's take the triangles.
Triangles?
Yes, triangles. Triangles.
Triangles.
Okay, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides. 2 equal ones. Okay. Right. See, they are the same. Very nice. It's a pity there's no music, no sound in the background, because it would be nicer with the sound. Click on all the triangles. Click on all the triangles. Yes. Yes. And there's another one.
No.
There's another one.
Oops.
Okay, so Starfall.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, and you can also build yourself. This one. Do you want to say it or should I quit?
No, yes. So please show us how to make our own exercise.
No, this is yourself.
Okay. Okay. Right. So you can say, I want brown hair. I want blue eyes.
Who am I?
Who am I? I am. Okay, who am I? I'm a girl. Yeah.
And you can listen to the sentence. Girl. Okay. You can choose.
Oh, that's better. Okay, 8
years old.
Yes, if you want to, you can say years old or I'm 8.
Hair. My hair is like this.
My hair is pink.
Oh, wow. Okay, now choose your eyes. Color for your eyes.
Yes. Okay, yes.
Blue
Color,
or green?
Blue, 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 blue.
Blue. Your nose?
The last but one. The last but one. No. Last è l'ultimo. Last but one è il penultimo.
Last but one. Okay. This one?
Yes.
Okay. Last but one. Okay. And your skin?
Yes, that's perfect. A little pale, but okay.
Freckles?
Sorry?
Freckles?
Yes, why not?
Okay. Okay. Do you wear glasses?
No.
No.
I
So
don't like glasses.
choose your t-shirt.
Yes, a light green t-shirt and a pair of green trousers.
Which one? Those one or those one?
Green. Oh, no. The, how can I say? Yes, those ones.
Okay. What about your trainers?
The green ones.
Okay. So this is you.
I like me. I like myself. Hello. Yes.
Oh.
Right. Okay, so Starfall.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Agnese. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anybody else? Any other suggestion? No? Okay, so Agnese, Anna,
Yes.
Elena lo sa. Oh, sorry, Agnese, yes, tell us.
Okay, usually I use another website. I think it's always American. The name is Teachers Pay Teachers.
Okay, can we see?
Here you can find lots of activities prepared by other teachers.
Yeah.
All the topics.
Can you show us?
Oh, yeah.
If it's okay for the others, are you happy to see it? Yeah, okay.
Okay. Wait for a moment,
teachers,
please. Teachers pay teachers. Teachers pay teachers. Some of these activities.
You're not sharing the screen, Agnese. You're not sharing the screen.
Yes, I know. Only teachers. I'm preparing the website. Okay. Some of these activities are free, but most of them you have to pay. They're not so expensive. $1, $2, $3, $4, $6.
I know, but
wait for a moment. Where is it?
That's why it's called Teachers Pay Teachers.
Exactly.
I was wondering, what do they mean by pay teachers?
But where is it? I lost my page. Not this one. What? No. Can you see it?
Not yet, but it's coming. There it is.
Okay, you see, you can choose your grade.
Yeah. You have to. Christmas. Yeah, why not?
Let's see.
Christmas activities. Okay.
Okay, here they are, you see. Here
Oh,
you have
okay, you have to pay for that. Yes. Okay. What about Christmas activities?
For example, this one, Christmas
activity. No, we have to pay for that.
Yeah.
No, okay. We don't want to spend.
Or you can go on Google and look for some Christmas activities.
Yes.
And then you can find.
Yes, plenty of them. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so we have to pay, so we don't want to pay. Okay, so right. Thank you very much, Agnese, anyway, but I cross this out because you have to pay for the materials. We don't want to pay. Elena, what are you doing at the moment and what would you like to do?
At the moment, I have a big challenge with first class. We are preparing a small conference about solar system.
Wow, in English?
In English, but in the book there are 2 pages about it. So we listening together, and the next week we try to repeat some words.
Yes.
And,
who's the conference for? Who is the conference for?
For our school. We are a small school with 5 classrooms.
So the other children will listen to you?
Yes.
Okay.
1 class for time for emergency COVID. And today we start in Italian language for 1 classroom. And the next week we try. I don't know, we try.
I know, it's difficult.
With some sentences and so on, così.
Okay. Like the earth goes around the sun and the moon goes around the earth.
Yes, planets, asteroids,
wow.
Milky Way, but insomma.
No, but it's interesting. It's interesting.
It's very difficult.
It is very difficult. Did you show them some videos about the solar system?
Yes, 1 video. Because it's suggests in the book.
Okay, it's suggested in the book.
In the book.
Right. Okay. Was it a funny video or one of those documentary films?
No, funny video.
A funny one for children.
Short video, quindi short video. Sì, it's okay. Sì, for children.
Yes.
Yes. We try.
Okay, play some games like imagine they have their own shuttle and they can go to any planet.
Oh, wow, good idea.
Or something like, which planet are you going to? Mars. Okay, is it cold or warm in Mars? Ok, shuttle ovviamente è la navetta, Mars è Marte, scusate, Mars. Is it cold or warm on Mars? How far it is? How long does it take? These kind of things, you know. Make them imagine they have their own shuttle and they want to go somewhere.
Okay.
That's an idea. Of course,
good idea.
But this is what I would do, you know. I would make them, you know, how can I say?
Okay, good. I like it. Thank you.
No problems. Thanks to you for the suggestion. So the solar system, yes. Okay, then who else? Federica, did you tell us something already?
Hi. I am a support teacher, but same time I speak English with only my student because her mother is American, and so I train with her.
Fantastic.
Only this.
Fantastic. What disability has he or she got? What kind of special need?
I don't remember.
Can she move normally? What's
no. And sorry, but I am a worker man in my house. And
okay. Yeah, okay, all right, no problems. Yes. Okay. Anna Rosa, what are you doing?
Okay. I'm a third class. At this moment, we are repeating the members of the family. Okay. And the numbers from 20 to 100. And we are doing some operations, some math operations. And so the things at this moment. These are the items of this.
Yes. Do you play bingo with the numbers?
Oh, yes, of course. Yes. We play bingo. Yes.
Good.
And they enjoy very much. They like it. When I say good morning, they say, do we play bingo today? Oh. Yes.
What about the timetables? The timetables. Le tabelline. The timetables. For example, the two timetables, la tabellina del 2. So one says 0, the other one 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on and so on. And whoever makes a mistake, he's out. And the last one wins, of course. Or the 3 times table, 4 times table. The times table are sono le tabelline. So, for example, 2 times table. La tabellina del 2. La tabellina del 2. 2 times table, 3 times table, 4 times table, and so on and so on. So you can play a game like this. Or you can, yes, bingo, or you can, I don't know, make maybe they clap their hands. So for example, what's 3 plus 2? It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Scusa Maria Pia.
Yes.
Timetables è tutta una parola o è staccato? Sono tutte e due?
Can be written in può essere scritto in entrambi i modi. Can be written in the both way and also hyphenated. It's the same. Okay. Timetable or timetable or timetable.
Tutta una parola. Ok, grazie. Scusa, chiedo scusa alla collega. Grazie.
Why? She wrote it separately. Perché l'aveva scritto staccato insieme. Si può scrivere in tutti e 3 i modi.
Esatto, avevi scritto in tutti e 2 i modi, non sapevo quale dei due, avevo intuito che poteva essere l'uno o l'altro.
Sì, l'uno o l'altro.
Ho chiesto per certezza perché quando lo dici uno dice tutta una parola in realtà.
Esatto. Normally what happens is that normally British English hyphen these kind of words, American English attach them, and Australians and so on keep them separate. So all of them basically. For example, I don't know, motor home. This would be American motor home. This would be British English motor home. This would be Australian. It often happens that the words are written hyphenated or separately or one word. Okay, so yes, so you can play with the timetables if you want to. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Because you keep moving in the monitor. Yes, so yes, or what else can you do with the numbers? I don't know, plenty of games actually. Yeah. Donatella, what are you doing at the moment? And what would you like to do?
Hello. Sorry,
Hi.
I have some technical problems with my tablet, so
Yes,
but I didn't see, and so a lot of problems, but I am here. Okay.
Yes, what are you doing at the moment in your classes or in your class?
We are working on because they are kids. They are very very young. So we are working with alphabet, with letters A, B, C, D, E.
Spelling.
Yes, and with simple plays, simple
games.
Simple games. Yes,
Games.
not
Now
much,
that I think
because
of it,
they are learning letters.
Yes. I have to take notes. Oh, I'm still Stefano Cobello. Why am I still Stefano Cobello? Maria Pia. I have to take notes of who's here with us today. Sorry, I almost forgot. Have you all told us something, Loredana? Did you tell us something? Yes. Chi è che non ha ancora parlato? Avete parlato tutti? Ok, allora mettiamo intanto, scusate, le presenze, se no poi Stefano mi dice devi mettere le presenze. E ha ragione. He's perfectly right. But I'm terrible at this. I always forget. Io sono terribile su queste cose, mi dimentico sempre. There it is. Come on, come on, come on. Right, so yes. Okay, so next time we'll talk about a topic. Did you know that this week was the Kindness Week? I discovered it yesterday with the B1 group. They were all doing something on the Kindness Week. Ieri col gruppo B1 tutti mi hanno detto che stavano facendo qualcosa because this is the Kindness Week. Questa è la settimana della gentilezza. And so everybody told me we are doing the kind words. Ok, Maria Vicenza c'è? No. Silvia sì. Perché scrivo sì? Vabbè, scriviamo sì, dai, ormai. Elena sì, giusto? Elena ci sei? Vabbè, Anna sì. Gloria no. Gabriella no, vero? Daniela no, vero? Tiziana? Agnese sì. Gina no. Argiana no. Chiara no. Donatella sì. Roberta c'è? No. Venturelli Anna c'è? Venturelli sì.
Chi ci sono?
Ok, brava. Teresa no, giusto? Calogero no, Monia no, Federica sì, vero? Federica ci sei?
Sì, ci sono.
Poi, com'è che qua la questione?
Excuse me, I am Loredana in this Loredana.
Wait a second, ecco qua, Loredana, sì, sì. Giulia no, Elena no, Angela sì. Cristina c'è? Elena, con te Elena ci sono?
Sì, Elena Losacco sì.
Ah, ecco. Maria Giulia, Francesca sì? No. Nunzia no, Mara no, Federica?
Io ci sono 2 volte, non so perché mi hai messo Maria Pia 2 volte in elenco.
Chi sei tu?
Federica Marchi, mi hai appena segnato anche sopra.
Boh, togliamoci.
De Pasquale.
Invece non ci sono, esatto, non ci sono io nell'elenco.
Non sei iscritta? Allora, De Pasquale.
Sì, De Pasquale, sì. Anna Rosa.
E ci sei. E le volte prima c'eri?
No, è la prima volta.
È la prima volta, ok, perfetto.
C'è qualcun altro nell'elenco?
Non so come mai me la...
A me è venuto un dubbio che forse di essermi iscritta al corso sbagliato prima e dopo mi sono iscritta nella chat giusta.
Ah, beh, vabbè.
La confusione.
Ma le altre volte c'eri, no?
No, perché ero impegnata con la scuola.
Ok, quindi ci sono 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
11. We should be.
8, 9, 10, 10. Perché 11? Io ne conto 10. 2, 4, 6.
Qua siamo segnate 12.
11, sì, giusto, 11. Ok, allora, 11, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ok. Ok, allora, ho fatto anche questo. So, what would you like to do now? What time is it? Oh my God, it's almost 7 o'clock. Any idea? Do you want to say goodbye? Are you tired and hungry? Okay. Have a good evening, everyone. See you in 2 weeks. And in the meantime, I'll send you something about the plurals, possessive adjectives, inform, numbers, family, some suggestions for games, Christmas, and maybe I will prepare a couple of topics with videos to talk about next time. Okay? Right. So it was very
Maria
nice
Pia,
to see
thank
you.
you.
Yes.
Maria Pia, can I teach a little song, a goodbye song?
Yes, please do.
For children, of course.
Yes. We are like children.
Yes.
You have to be a little childish to become a teacher in a primary school. Devi essere un po' così se vuoi fare l'insegnante alle elementari.
Okay. It sounds like goodbye, goodbye. I don't like to say goodbye, goodbye, and have a nice day.
Okay. Goodbye, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Nobody sings, only me.
Goodbye, goodbye. I don't like to say goodbye, goodbye, and have a nice day.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. See you.